So let's talk about OBJ files, OBJ file loading. So I opened here a cube.obj. OBJ is a 3D file format and it contains the information about the vertices, the vertex textures and the vertex normals, and of course the face information. So all vertices have three values, three float values, an x, a y, and a z position value. All the vertex textures start with vt, and they have two float values. So x and the y, or u and the v value. And the vertex normals starts with vn, and they have also three float values. So according to Wikipedia, the vertex normals are directional vectors, and they are used in lighting. So vertex normals are used in Gouraud shading, Phong shading, and other lighting models. So, and we have the face information which starts with the letter F. So it tells us it tells us how to connect the individual vertices to form a triangle. So this line is a triangle, and it says that use the second vertex, connect it to the fourth vertex, and then connect it to the first vertex. So the second vertex is this. Connect it to the fourth, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, this, and connect it to the first, which is of course this. So this will create a triangle. So these are the first values in this three number sequence. The second values is use the first texture index, which is this. Here use the second texture index, which is this, and here use the third vertex index, which is this. So now we have a triangle, and each vertex position has its own vertex coordinate, and the last number here says that for this vertex use the first normals, for the second vertex use the first normals too, and the third vertex use the first normals too. So I created this Inkscape drawing to further demonstrate how face indices works. So I just copied out this first triangle from the OBJ file. So this is here 211421131. So as you see, we have here a triangle and the 2, 1, 1, which is the first vertex in a triangle, 2, 1, 1. So use the position 2 in the vertex index, use the position 1 in the vertex texture index, use the position 1 in the vertex normal index. Then the next vertex is in position 4, its texture is in position 2 and its normal is in position 1. And the third vertex, its vertex position is in the line 1, the texture position and the normal position, so it creates a triangle. So inside Blender I created this textured cube. So I just unwrapped it and I have applied to it this colorful texture. So we will be, in the next video we will be loading this textured cube from Blender. And the last two things I wanted to talk about is how to export this cube from Blender as OBJ file. So it's file, export, and Bayfront OBJ. And here are the export options. Okay. So I'm gonna choose my desktop and IDE. So make sure to check the right normals, include UVs. We don't need materials for now, and triangulate faces. So cube OBJ export and make sure that you save the image. So save as image as cube underscore texture.jpg. So now we have here cube.obj and the cube texture in one folder. And the last thing is the next video is based upon this Pygame wiki, where someone wrote an OBJ file loader. It includes material files, but I don't gonna use material files. And here is his OBJ class. So my tutorials will be based on this, but for me it's this code as it is just won't work, because first of all he uses Pygame and I'm using of course GLFW, and he uses an older version of Python and I'm using Python 3.5. And he's using old version of OpenGL, and the deprecated version or the old immediate mode. So he uses GL begin, GL end, and I'm using the modern version of OpenGL. but it's good to have it here to study this code. So see you in the next video.